Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Erin, and today we're going to be talking about how to get your kid ready for their first dental visit. So imagine this, you have scheduled a dental visit for your kid. You know that it might not be a pleasant experience and you're super worried about how they're going to react. Well, it's actually not that complicated, so here are some little tips to make the journey a little bit smoother for both you and your kid. First of all, I think it's very important to start on a positive note. When talking about going to the dentist or introducing the idea of the dentist, make sure to frame it in a positive light. So just simply introduce it in a straightforward manner, like, hey, we're going to bring you somewhere today, the dentist, to check on your teeth, and kids tend to respond better if we keep a positive tone on things. And I find that's also helpful for parents to maybe start to mimic what we do at the dentist but at home. You already do toothbrushing for kids at home, and maybe in that process, you can let your child know that, hey, this is what you're going to be doing at the dentist as well. The dentist is going to be helping you clean your teeth. It could be also nice to incorporate certain actions like counting. So counting is a common way that we use to distract kids during a visit. So you can start by telling them, hey, let's count how many teeth you have today, and maybe you can tell the dentist how many teeth you have. So just something easy and fun like that would do. Something else that could be helpful would be to introduce them to certain media that talks about the dentist. So some easy examples would be cartoons. I find that there are lots of cartoons out there now that talk about the dentist. Peppa Pig is a personal favorite. Just helping them watch a video like that could make them feel that the idea of visiting a dentist is actually quite fun and not at all intimidating. As the day of the appointment comes closer, you could also consider a few other things. Well, first of all, time the visit well. If you know that your child is hungry or sleepy at a certain time of the day, try to avoid that and catch them at a time when they're generally a little bit happier and more easygoing. Secondly, if there's anybody that could be helpful to bring along, that would be good. This could be a person, from a caretaker to an older sibling, or could be an object, like a soft toy or a comfort item that they enjoy. So just to summarize everything, I do like to just remind parents to keep things light, keep things positive, and let your kids know that visiting a dentist is simply a fun experience that's good for them. Thank you.